Beautiful day outside.
I'm so bored. What is there to do? Maybe I should call my sister up. Maybe. Let me text her first. Hey sis, wanna go hang out today?
Oh, sure.
Okay, I'll see you at the pizza place.
Okay.
Well, I just called her, so I'm gonna head over. Me and her have a go-kart now. Me and her love the go-kart. I mean, it's faster than some cars. I'm so proud of myself. I've gotten my second license because they said to me that my first license was corrupted. So I had to give me another one. But it was for free. This time. That light was yellow.
Literally nobody's on the road. It's such a beautiful day outside.
Oh, there's some people here at the pizza place. Wow, the pizza place is so crowded. Man.
Oh no, please don't, please don't, please don't. Okay.
Why do you guys go to the trash can, you weirdos?
I cannot drive.
Oh my gosh. Hi, sis.
Why do you drive my car? Because I always make it bounce.
Yeah, I'll drive it.
Okay, thank you. I'll be here at the pizza place waiting for you. Oh, shoot.
I gotta change. Here you go, sis. I'm gonna give you the keys to my house real quick.
Okay.
Okay, I give you the keys. There you go.
Alrighty.
Now I'm gonna use your...
Don't run me over.
I didn't! I wasn't even near you! Are we even allowed to drive go-karts here? I think so. My license person said we could. The driver's
okay, you're talking. I can barely hear you. Okay, I can probably hear you now.
Oh, God! Let's order some pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza's so good right now.
I'm thinking of getting a job here.
I'm so tired.
You just stole my spot. Excuse you.
Excuse
you! Everybody's stealing my spot. Okay, this is my spot. Do not come to my spot. Watching. Alright. I want a mega gulp. Is there anything more than just a mega gulp? Like, all there is in this pizza place, Pizza Planet, is mega gulps. Excuse you, sir? I mean, sheesh.
I'm just gonna sit down real quick.
Are you tired or something? Excuse you, too.
Yeah, I'm really tired. I think I need to get some sleep. Can I head over to your house? I'm tired.
Sure.
My house is way too far.
I'll just leave my go-kart here.
Wait, where is your house? Is it on bridge? Is it on bridge?
Here, I'll just see. Let me. Well, I can't really see my house, and also I'm stinky, so.
Hey, let's see on this side. I'm really tired.
Wait, what? I don't think it's on this side.
It isn't?
No.
Yeah, my house is over here. My house is far. Isn't it over here? Oh no, that's building. We're by my house.
They're just other people's buildings.
Oh,
it's raining! Hurry! It's so wet.
Just get out! Just get out! Go!
Come on!
I'm so tired! I'm so tired. You can do whatever you want, sis. I'm gonna go to sleep.
Shower.
Okay. I'm gonna take a nice nap. Meanwhile, it's been like 10 minutes. I feel rested. Eh. Oh, hey sis.
Finally,
I'm gonna take a shower.
shower.
I smell like a dog. I'm gonna take a shower.
Okay. Finally, out of the shower, dressed and everything. I just put the same exact clothes on because they're not really that dirty.
There we go. I took like a 20-minute shower. Nice. Longer than my nap. I'm gonna change my outfit.
What should I do now? It's raining outside. I mean, basically can't go home. So, what should I do at this house? Sister's house.
Oh, hey sis.
Hey. I'm just like saying, what should I do at your house?
Well, I'm gonna just sit here and read a book. What? That's crazy. Okay, I'm done reading. I read for like 10 minutes. I'm done. I'm gonna go make a video.
Okay, you go ahead and make a video.
I'm gonna react to a video. What should I react to? I should react to Nyan Unicorn. Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. My name is Blue, and today we are back. And also, guys, look at this unicorn. Flying unicorn house original. I can't see that word down there. You guys see that word? It says subscribe, the user, whatever. Guys, make sure to subscribe. Guys, just saying, while you're watching this video, make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button down below. And you guys got 5 seconds to do it. Ready? Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment down below, Blue, if you did it. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Okay, I'm done. Where did my sister go? Is she outside? No, because she hates water and rain. Oh, hi, sis.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, sis. I saw you wear your contacts today. You look so pretty, as always.
Even without my glasses.
Mhm.
Okay.
I just have long eyelashes.
What was that noise?
I don't know. Here, I'm gonna take a snack. I'm gonna eat
I'm
some.
probably just overreacting. You know.
Yeah.
Ding.
Ding dong.
I got a text. You check the door.
Okay. Sis?
What?
There's nobody here.
And then I just got a text from an unknown person.
What does it say?
Meet me at Pizza Planet. Check.
Huh? Why would it say that?
I don't know.
And plus it's raining, so I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, I'm not going. I'm going to text them. I'm not going. They said I have to.
Sis, don't go. You don't have
I'm
to.
not going because I don't know this person. They're unknown.
I know, it's crazy. Why would they just... Ding! Wait, what? Meet me at Pizza Planet. I just got the same message.
You got the same text?
Yeah.
So did I. Like, what?
I'm gonna say, no, it's raining, and plus you're a crazy human! Wait, they said, okay then, have it your way. What does that mean? Sis, you know you're older than me, I'm scared. Maybe, should we call Mom and see if she knows who this person is? Maybe it's like one of her friends.
Call Mom. I'm not going on my phone.
I'll call Mom.
That.
Ring, 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 ring. Hello. Mom, there's this crazy unknown number texting me in Bristol. Sweetie, just get over it. It's fine. You're gonna be okay. Just ignore them. And stop acting like a child. You're 18 for crying out loud. Your sister's 19. Okay, Mom. Bye. Bye, sweetie. Deal with it yourself.
So what did Mom say?
She just said deal it with yourself.
Ding. Another unknown person. Why am I getting all these unknown texts?
Are they fans? Here, I'm gonna text him and say, do you know Blue Queen 1800? Yes, I do. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. But I really want to meet her, too. And I thought you were her. Huh? So, are they a fan or are they faking? Let's see if they know how many likes we have.
Oh, that's smart.
How many likes did I get on my very first Royal Height video? 3 likes. Wrong. It's 4. Well, they're not a true fan, I guess. Well, earlier it was 3.
Ding! The same number.
And by the way, if you haven't noticed my 1 billion, it's because that's clearly how much money my house was. I'm kidding. I just have that.
There's so many texts from this random person.
Ding, 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 ding. What do you want?
I don't want to keep answering because they'll just keep texting me. I'm just gonna say, what do you want?
I'm gonna say, what do you want?
They said to meet at Pizza Planet. I'm not going. It is raining. I'm not going.
I'm just gonna go then.
Fine, I'm going with you.
Oh, I'm getting soaked. Ah!
I'm getting so
Get in the car! Hurry! Get in the car! Come on! Don't sit in the back. Don't sit in the back. Ah! I'm getting soaked. Ah!
No, we're not. We have this hood over us. I'm gonna be checking my phone.
Ding! Ding!
I see you coming.
Huh? Wait,
It's raining. How do you see us?
there's nobody here. Huh?
You're not here. Sent. I sent it. That's what I mean.
Huh? The light's red. There's your car. Wait, why does your car look a little bit darker? Maybe it's just because of the rain. I'm over-exaggerating.
Yeah, I think it's just because of the rain.
Yeah. I'm waiting.
I'm waiting. I'm here watching you.
Who is it? It's not any of those people because they're not watching us. Maybe it's the lady in here?
Don't go ask her.
I'll go ask her. You stay in the car.
I see you. You're at the furniture shop.
So they're not the lady. I'm gonna go ask the lady if she's seen anyone. Hey lady, do you know anybody here? Hello?
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
Have you seen a peculiar man or woman around here?
No.
That's weird, sis. Maybe we're just over-exaggerating. Let's just go home. There's nobody here.
Would you guys like to buy any furniture, though? No, ma'am. Bye now.
Thank you. My house is furniture.
I see you. You're walking your go-karts.
You're in front of Pizza Planet. There's go-kart over there, but there's nobody inside. Maybe they're working. Hi, have you seen any peculiar man or woman? Sorry, ma'am. I have no idea what you're talking about. Oh, no. This is getting scary, sis. Sir, have
That is the end of this video.
If you guys want to see more, make sure to get this video to 3 likes down below. And if you do that, we will give you a part 2. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we will see you guys. Make sure to subscribe to Bristol's channel, and we will see you guys in the next one.